Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. What if I told you you could skip the cart page entirely and send your customer straight to your checkout page with just one click? In this video, we are crafting powerful sales machine by implementing direct checkout in WooCommerce. This is one of the best way to reduce cart abandonment and boost your conversation. Let's dive in. Direct checkout or buy now button bypass the cart page completely. If you can see here on Amazon, so we have two buttons like add to cart. This is a normally we go to add to cart page and then go to buy page or checkout page. But if I press the buy now button, it's directly drive into our checkout page. It reduces the friction of the customer who are ready to buy immediately. Fewer clicks means a fewer opportunity for them to get distract and leave. It's perfect for the stores with a single item purchase or low average order value products. So let's start it. Go to our WooCommerce. Oh, sorry. So is our shop. So this is our demo shop. So what I do, the first method is the easy plugin way. So go to our dashboard, admin dashboard. The easiest way to do this with a free plugin. So I recommend you use direct checkout for WooCommerce. So we are using this plugin by Quad Layers. Just simply install, activate it. So go to setting page. See the setting, the magic is right here. You can enable redirect to checkout, which change the behavior of add to cart button. You can also change the button text alphabetically globally to say by now, right say here, save changes and let's start it. So added to cartlet, no. Added to cart link to shop, no. Added to cart redirect, yes. Added to button, added to cart, checkout. If you want to custom, you can even use a custom. I just press the custom, press the cart URL, checkout, save changes. So we have products, we have archives option. So if you want to archive page, you have add yes, simple products, group product, virtual variable products, purchase now or buy now, save changes, products. So this is a premium, so replace that code yes, purchase now, save changes. Let's jump into our shop. Go to shop, go to product. You can see purchase now. Once I press the purchase now, is directly step out from the product page to tech pouch. This is a way how to you handle. If you want to extra button like showing in the Amazon page, you just go back to here. Yeah, save changes. Go back here, go to product, view cart. Oh, it's replacing. We have doing some setting. So go back to here. Nope, save changes. So again, go back to products. Replace that cart text, yes. Purchase, no. Just save it and go back to here. Again, home page. Go to shop. Go to product. Now it's add to cart. Just simply add to cart. It's doing add to cart and redirecting to purchase page. This is the way you have to do direct checkout. If you want to change the text and you want to change the content even, so you can change. So here is the some simple setting if you want to customize based on your requirement. This is the method one, how to do using plugin. So method 2 is the custom code without any plugin. If you want to avoid another plugin and this functionality with the lightweight code snippet, this method is for you. First, our disclaimer, always use a child theme and back up your site before adding any of code, even if you are using this code. So let's try in. Go back to our plugins, just deactivate that plugin. Skip and deactivate. So you say skip and activate, just delete that, we don't need. Go to themes. So we don't have a child theme, so let's create a child theme. So the child theme is created and just activate it. If you want to create a child theme, my video is available on my YouTube channel. Just go to my YouTube channel and watch that video, how to create a child theme. You can watch that. So child theme is activated. Let's go to our theme editor. This is a not recommended way, but you always use SFTP or FTP, but now for the now we are using functionality. I'm going to functionality. I'm using my code here. So I'm just pasting my code is here. I will provide that code to you in the description. You can use that, so you can implement some different condition as well if you want. Otherwise you just use simple update file. As you say, I will add this code in function.php. This snippet tells WooCommerce to redirect any add to cart action directly to checkout. I have always include a commented out section if you only want to apply the products in a specific category like downloads, like t-shirts, or like earbuds or something else. So you can just replace that category are here. So just save it. And go to here, view cart, just empty that cart and go back to my product, just add to cart. Okay, you can see it's redirected to our checkout page directly. So if you want to change the text, I have another snippet for the text changing. Go back to here my theme and just placing. Don't worry, I will be provide that code in the theme description. Oh sorry, in the YouTube video description. Just update it. So go back to here, view cart. So go to my, so you can see button text is by now. You can put anything else. So this is a very lightweight way to do this. They simply filter change the text, just a single product page. Now the user experience is clear by clicking buy now and go straight to pay. And it's worked perfectly as we have tested. use this feature wisely. It's amazing for impulse buyers and single item, but if you expect a customer to bundle multiple products, you might want to keep the traditional cart flow. This the best part, both of these methods are completely free. Okay, thank you. If this video helped you craft a better store, smash that like button, subscribe for more WooCommerce tutorial, WordPress tutorial and React.js tutorial. Let me know in the comment which method you will be using. Thanks for watching and I will see you in our next one.